Mom, they say that you should learn from the past. But today, I learned way more from the future. I'm talking treasure, Gretch. Diamonds, gold, maybe even gold diamonds.
And to think we owe it all to a stick.
This isn't just a stick. It's a divining rod, and it's gonna lead us right to the mother lode.
Found something? It's like the one I just lost. What are the chances?
Dibs on the loot, bottom dozers. Activate digging mode. Come to Butt Squad, Mr. Treasure. Ah! Oh, man.
All yours, Buttsnut. Hey, this stick actually works.
Finders, keepers, McLosers, McWeepers.
Hey, keep your paws off our... Mission control, we have liftoff. Treasure! Cool!
Wow, a busted clock. I can barely contain my joy.
Maybe it just needs winding.
Cool.
Wow, a busted clock. I can barely contain my joy.
Cool.
Whoa! Guys, this clock isn't busted. It's a time machine. Grab on and prepare to have your socks blown off.
Oh, disgusting.
Whoa! Time travel is spinning.
I see a barf bag in my future.
Whoa! Welcome to the future Camp Lakebottom. Could use some paint.
Rip off? Where are the jetpack canoes and the atomic outhouses?
Hey, let's go ask those guys. Excuse me, gentlemen. Can you tell us where we are?
You strangers are trespassing on the Sunny Smiles slime fields.
Sunny Smiles slime fields?
But what happened to Camp Lakebottom?
Camp Lakebottom?
Haven't heard that name in ages.
Sawyer? Armand?
Campers? We thought we'd never see you again.
I remember the day you disappeared.
Oh, disgusting. Sticky. Styling. Oh, yeah, this lake bottom filth is gonna make me filthy richer.
Hey, Slip, seen our campers?
Hands off my slime geyser. It's mine. Mine.
You can have your gucky slime. We want our gucky campers.
This bird knows.
A wild goose! Chase it!
Knew that goose would come in handy. Get me a drill. Stat. Took you long enough. Ha! I am the Slime King!
Butt Squat made a bazillion bucks on hair slime and bought the camp.
He only let us stay if we worked for him. It may be slimy, but it's still our home.
On the plus side, I can see my reflection in my fur. Wow! Who's the old guy?
Butt Squad won't get away with this!
He already did, thanks to this clock.
Hey!
Break's over, bottom slackers. What are you laughing at, slime monkeys? Ah! Hey, you twerps look like a bunch of campers I used to know. Well, whoever you are, no trespassing! So long, Slimers! Later, lamoids!
Butt Squat's gonna pay for that when we go back in time and...
Ew, this slime gets into everything.
Yeah, I've even got some between my...
Don't say it!
Okay, plan B. We take back our camp slime style. Who's with me?
Go Lakebottom! This sewer line leads right into the plant.
Once you guys unslime the clock, head over to the factory. Got it?
Got it. Now go dethrone the Slime King.
Flush away! us out!
Superstar Slime Princess!
No contaminating the slime vats!
Oh, time to move! They must be spick and span so Hell Goop stays 100% pure yucky! Rosebud?
Campus! At last you have returned! We missed you so bad!
Yay! You think it's funny to keep us waiting and worrying and working for a potato head all this time?
Can we just skip to the part where you forgive us and we save the camp?
Done! Get to work.
Okay.
Save the camp? Ha! I knew I'd recognize you, McTwerp!
Slime Zuka! Run, campers!
Oh, yeah.
We've got to do something!
It's time to slime that slime ball! You never looked better, slime squat!
I'll get you for this, McDork! As soon as I get out of here!
McGee, your time machine clock's all cleaned and ready to go.
Thanks, guys! Perfect timing!
Ow! Did you say time machine?
Yeah, cool, huh? You just gotta wind back the hour hand and...
Squirt!
Thanks, Bottom Dweeber! Oh, man, I'm gonna hurl.
You get used to it.
This out-of-sight spot would be a new camp for Daddy-O.
Right on, Zombie Man. What should we call it? Camp Far Out? Camp Hang Loose?
How about Camp Groovelicious, man?
Oh no! We went back in time too far! Way to go, bald butt!
That's Mr. Baldbutt to you, twerp! Now hand over that clock!
Where are we?
Mind-blowing question, little dude. We were just rapping on it.
Wait a minute. We've traveled back to before Lake Bottom was built?
Lakebottom. Righteous name, dudette.
You should put the outhouse over there. Best view when you tinkle.
Thanks for the brainwave, little man.
Gotta split.
Far out. Peace.
Let's go!
You let go!
No, you let go!
I hope we're collecting frequent time traveler points for this.
Let go!
No, you let go!
Are we back in the present?
Oh, we better be. I'm out of barf bags.
Oh, hey, someone dropped a quarter.
Hands up! I saw it first!
Thanks, Buttsnot! Now, if I stop our past selves from time traveling in the first place, I can fix everything!
Huh? Not if I stop you first!
Whoa! Oof. Grab on and prepare to have your socks blown off!
We're too late or too early. Time travel makes my head hurt.
But we're right on time to stop the original butt brain!
Oh, disgusting! Sticky! Styling! My beautiful hair! What? This lake bottom filled his hay! Thanks for the distraction! Me! Now I can go back in time and make sure my empire still oozes money! What's Q-Ball talking about?
Long story.
Go ahead, Mr. Buttsnot, I dare ya!
What?
Relax. I'm 100% sure this probably might maybe work.
100% sure ain't what it used to be.
See you in the future, McGeek! Oh! Nice fall, Chrome Dome!
And according to my clock, it's time to send this slime ball back where he belongs. Slime you later, Mr. Bald Squat.
Ah, enough with the slime jokes.
You'll pay for this, bottom slimers!
I kinda doubt it. The future is looking slime-free.
Welcome to Camp Bottom, Slime King.